I'll give you just 1 minute to talk about a topic, and the topic is describe your best friends within one
Okay.
minute. Describe your best
So,
friend within 1 minute.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. My name is Hassan Al Bukhari. Preciously, you can call me Bukhari. I have lot of friends, but only two or three of my best friends. My best friend name is Shubho, and now we also studied in polytechnic uh, together about 3 or 4 years, and every time we share our everything, our happiness, our sadness, everything we share each other. And we always, if we get any free time, then we go outside of our city, and we visit a historical place, and we try to taste uh, varieties type food. And he always try to makes me happy. That's why I like he, and this about my best friend.
Well done. Thank you so much.